Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss all the electric vehicle related news, events and information. And before I proceed with today's news about electric cars, electric bikes, electric charging stations in India, do hit the subscribe button in case you want to stay updated about all that is happening in electric vehicle ecosystem in India. So I will begin by today's big news, guys. That is that Volvo has announced that it will be launched by first half of 2021 in India. It will be launching its electric model XC40 recharge first, and that's the model you can see on my screen. And so that is another entry into luxury segment of electric vehicles. Just few days back, Mercedes-Benz EQs has already been launched. The talks about Jaguar I-Pace is going on, talks about Audi e-tron is going on, and now enters Volvo XC40. Now there is not much about we don't know much about the technical specification that will be launched yet. However, it's definitely a very welcome move that lot of manufacturers are actually coming in and launching their electric cars in India. This model XC40 has done really well for Audi in terms of electric vehicle segment. So we will have to watch out, and so that's one big news for today, guys. And apart from that, as I said, it will be in the luxury EV segment, and now XC40 is part of the Audi is part of Volvo's SUV segment. It's XC40, XC60 and XC90. So the XC40 is the entry level model, and the costing we will have to see what will be the costing. Will it be I guess it will be somewhere between a Hyundai Kona and a Mercedes-Benz EQ, so somewhere between 30 lakhs to 1 crore. Where exactly will this lie is something we will have to see. And if I tell you about the battery, it has a 78 kilowatt hour battery pack, and the range again is of 400 kilometers. This number is constant across all the segments. Most of the cars that are coming in are offering 400 kilometer range, and this one has a 78 kilowatt hour battery. So that is the first big news, guys. And now moving on to next news is that Harley Davidson will be launching its electric bicycle, and it has white tires and it resembles the first electric bike, the first bike that was launched by Harley Davidson. And this is something which has come across as a pretty surprising move, that Harley Davidson launching an electric bicycle. It's more of a tribute to the first model of Harley Davidson, which was launched hundreds of years back, and it also had white tires. And this particular model which you can see is called Serial 1 model, and it has white tires. The Harley Davidson launched a model of its first bike in 1903, and that was also called Serial number 1, and it was white tires. So I think that's what the comparison these guys are doing, and they have not revealed much about the technical specification of the electric bicycle. But definitely this looks good, and this actually tells a lot that a lot of two-wheelers are launching electric bicycles, a lot of two-wheelers are entering three-wheeler segment, a lot of three-wheelers are entering two-wheeler segment, a lot of two-wheelers are entering four-wheeler segment. It's happening all across electric vehicle ecosystem, and so I guess everybody wants a pie of everything right now. And so look out for this bike, and we have to see when it will be launched in India. And moving on to the next news, guys, it is from the company which I had talked yesterday about. It's called Kinetic Green. I had yesterday talked about that they are launching their three-wheeler electric carrier or electric three-wheeler electric vehicle, and its name was Suffer. And now they are also planning to go for manufacturing of electric golf cart. They will be partnering with a company called Tonino Lamborghini, and they will be establishing a plant in Andhra Pradesh. So that's one news from the company called Kinetic Green. I had already covered one news item about Kinetic Green, that they are going to launch this electric three-wheeler called Suffer across India. They have a strong distributor or dealer network across India, so now they're entering into this golf cart segment as well, guys. Moving on to the next piece of news. Is more of an article, guys. It's not a news, it's published on virtualstrategy.com. It's about EV battery swapping market in India. Battery swapping is a controversial, skeptical issue. People tend to have two extreme opinions. Some of them are in favor of battery swapping, some of them are saying that it won't work. And this article particularly says that battery swapping market in India is going to grow at an explosive rate at 31% between 2020 to 2030. And what it says is that the logic which this article is putting out is that if an electric vehicle, commercial electric vehicles, needs to run continuously to make more money, and for example somebody, a delivery guy, he needs to be on the road maximum number of time, but if he has to go back home to charge, or he has to stop somewhere to charge, and the charging is definitely going to take 3 to 4 hours. It might even take 8 to 10 hours depending on the charging socket you're putting your charging cable into, and that is a time loss, that is an opportunity lost for that particular electric wheeler driver. So that is the logic which this article is saying, that because of that, battery swapping market will be booming, especially in three-wheeler commercial segment. So my take here is that battery swapping might be very good for fleet managers and three-wheeler commercial segments, or two-wheeler fleet companies. However, for personal market, I really don't know whether it's a good choice, because handling assets, handling batteries, managing them might become a really big hassle. Now anyways, guys, moving on to the next news, guys, and that is again a very big news, guys, that MG Motor and Tata Power in partnership have launched a 50 kilowatt DC fast charger, and it is on Mumbai Nagpur highway. And so definitely Tata Power and MG Motor had already entered a partnership where they are installing this DC fast charger across India, and MG Motors already has these DC fast chargers in basically outside its dealership. So that is one good thing that is happening, that MG is a company that is coming out and is providing it is helping in building these charging station network. But I mean, we know that there is a limit to how much one particular single company can do, but it's a good move that if we have DC fast charger and somebody's traveling on from intracity from Mumbai to Nagpur to Pune, then definitely they can stop at this DC fast charger and charge their car. MG ZS EV, just to remind you guys, is a 20.88 lakh ex-showroom price car, and it also comes with the e-shield, which is a free of charge 5-year manufacturer warranty for unlimited kilometers, and then it also gives 8 years warranty on battery, includes round the clock roadside assistance. So this is about MG ZS EV. In case you're Nagpur, do visit this charging station, and also you can post your comments of how was the experience at this particular charging station. And that is one news, guys. Moving on to the next big news, guys, that is from manufacturer of electric bikes and electric autos, that is ODC. Now just to remind you, it has recently, I already covered this company, that they have bikes and they have scooters, Racer, Hawk and Evokis. These are the 3 brands they have launched, and what this company is now doing is that it is announcing certain offers for festive season for customers, which you guys can avail. They already are across 10 they already have outlets, around 10 outlets across India, and they have currently 6 dealerships operational across India. And what you can do is, if you buy their their vehicle from 28th October to 15th November, they will give you certain cash benefit, and they might also give you a luxurious holiday at Lonavala. And so go check out in case you are looking to buy electric scooter or electric bike. I'll tell you the prices. The racer model is of 60,000, racer light model is of 70,000, hawk is of 74,000, hawk light is of 84,000, hawk plus is of 98,500, and evoque is rupees 1,50,000. that is the bike which I'm showing you on the screen. So do check out in case you are looking to buy electric two-wheeler, and I mean the company is offering festive season offers, guys. So that's about today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe in case you want to stay connected about all that is happening in electric vehicle ecosystem in India. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.